Here is an update on my Snap Circuits burglar alarm, and you can see I changed it out again, and here's the that part there flashes colors at night and flashes blue there, and it's on day mode though right now. But if I cover the photo resistor, it'll flash because that's what it does every night. But at daytime it shuts off, so it's basically on day mode right now. And there's a green LED and there's a yellow LED right there, but that's actually red. And there's another red LED here. That's the trigger LED. Yep. So this is the update of the burglar alarm. The last video I made of this was in June. So yeah. I wonder where that trigger piece went. That's what happens to trigger. That's what triggers the alarm, and it fell off the window frame, turns out. So yep, and that's the new update. And there's the solar. There's the solar. A solar light. It charges in day by the solar panel, and at night it runs by the photoresistor. We'll turn it on. Yep. So, thanks for watching. Bye.